combo hitting its profit target this morning on this Thursday before a holiday weekend. This is in NinjaTrader 8. This is also included in Multicharts and Tradestation. And you can see the entry was a basic gap fill strategy. Gap fill strategies are part of our portfolios, and it's an initial setup that is included in our portfolios. And this specific strategy is one way to get started if you're new to trading, or if you want a strategy based on gaps. These are consistent over time, and it is the gap fill combo. I released this in my book in 2010, and I have a 2024 update that I released. The open code is in the 7 Trading Systems members area. I'll show you where you can get that. And this is the equity curve. You can see the equity curve right at equity peaks, and you can see the monthly results, 1875. Last month it was minus 1200. Let's look at the number of trades it's taking. You can see this has a $400 profit target, and sometimes it has an $800 profit target. It's variable. Again, you can learn about those variable profit targets in the members area. And March the 4th, $400. March the 5th, $800. March the 11th, $800. March the 15th, $800. March the 19th, it was stopped out. March the 22nd, it had a losing trade. Some of these winners and losers do not reach their stop loss or profit target since they exit at the end of the day. For example, if you enter a trade, it doesn't hit its stop loss, it doesn't hit its profit target, then it exits at the end of the day in a very narrow range market like we had on March the 25th. Today hits its $400 profit target. Let's look at the monthly. We've looked at the monthly results. Let's look at the yearly results. You can see 4362.50 this year, 19,800 last year, 6,000 in 2022. The number of trades pretty consistent, about 100 trades or more a year. And this year we're 1/4 of the way in, sitting right at 25 trades. So Q2 2024 starts next month, and a strategy like this is a staple in our portfolios. And if you want to trade one strategy, or if you want to trade a portfolio of strategies, this strategy is one strategy to take a serious look at. And so let's look at where you can get that. CapstoneTradingSystems.com. You go to education, you go to courses, and 7 Trading Systems members area, as well as Algorithmic Trading Systems members area, include open code trading systems. And this is where gap fill combo is located. You have some NASDAQ strategies here, but if you want the gap fill combo 24 that we just looked at, you want the 7 Trading Systems members area. It includes the open code from our 2010 book with 2024 updates, and that is for 2010 is the book. 2024 has some basic updates for volatility adjustments and any regime changes related to the gap and where it is located. And then this is also for NinjaTrader. Like I said, NinjaTrader 8, Tradestation, Multicharts. It's all included in here. And you have easy language, power language, and Ninja script. Hey, David Bean here. Welcome to Capstone Trading Systems YouTube page. Be sure to subscribe to join our community of algorithmic traders. We are real money traders. We share our winning streaks, we share our losing streaks, as well as market updates, strategies, and coding tips.